I'm in Suite 121 at Amigo, a Rocco Forte hotel in the centre of Brussels, and it's themed for Diane Von Furstenberg, and it's lots of fun. It's a bijou, well thought out space. I'm swinging around, looking out at the shops. It's not such a nice day, so people are not sunbathing. Chocolate and whiskies opposite. And these little streets that are so Brussels. There's a lace shop opposite. That's also, of course, so Brussels. Let's look around and see what else we've got. In charge, says Diane. Be the woman you want to be. Be the woman you want to be. The most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. I think anybody feeling momentarily insecure would do rather well to stay in this suite. Not sure how a middle-aged guy would cope, but still might be good for him. Masses of lighting and masses of storage and super Diane Forte toiletries. And talking of toilet, here over the toilet is another. Love is life. Olga Polizzi, who designed this, obviously really rather likes that phrase. Big shower and a heated towel rail. And bliss oh bliss, a bathtub with 2 handles to get out of. Well, we've more or less been around, and now we're back in the bedroom again, where I shall do a lot of hanging out. Oh, we haven't done the sitting room, which we need to do. So here is the sitting room with bold colours, and really not much else, not much in the way of art except another portrait of Diane and 2 Andy Warhols. There we are. Love is life here at Hotel Amigo in Brussels, Belgium. I also have an entry foyer with my favorite newspapers, a magnificent book, and there's a photo of her in one of her wrap dresses. Feel like a woman, wear a dress.